got a hole here that's slightly off center. Oh, there's a camera. Slightly off center, and I need to drill it slightly larger as well. So how are you going to get around this? How are you going to drill the hole larger while having a hole that's there already? Pretty simple. Just put a piece over the top of it, line it up, and make sure you've got crosshairs on it, and then drill through that initial piece, and that will then allow you to put the hole saw through the underneath piece, in this case the perspex, and drill the hole firstly bigger, and secondly on a center point and not off like I did before, because I didn't measure properly for some reason. Voila, bigger hole and central. Let's check. Beautiful, look at that. So much better. Just got to tidy that up and we're good to go. And as an added bonus, it means that I can get in with the spanner to be able to adjust the bits. Perfect.